This will be a speed test between the LG G8 ThinQ versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now they both have the Snapdragon 855. LG G8 has 6 gigs of RAM, this Galaxy S10 has 8. They're both on Android 9 Pie on their latest versions of their skins. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Now I'm gonna give the boot up win to the LG G8. And we are in! Nothing open in the background on both. As you can see, all apps have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close, maybe the G8. Messages. Very close again. Camera. And let's go. Give that to the G8. Clock on both phones. We'll go ahead and start the stopwatch on both and leave that running in the background. Chrome and Samsung Internet, go. Search for GSM Arena on this. Go. Looking at the progress bar. Ooh, I don't know, slow down the video for me. Go ahead and scroll through this and we'll go to the desktop version of each one and let's go. At the bar again and very close. Ooh, maybe the S10. This ad came up first on the S10. I'm gonna go ahead and pinch to zoom. Nice and smooth on the S10 Plus. Do the same thing on the LG G8 ThinQ. Nice and smooth as well. Calculator on both. Pretty much the same thing. Play Store. Dead heat. Go ahead and I'm looking for my favorite. Where is my favorite on the S10 Plus? I do not see it. I see TikTok on the LG G8. Here it is, the annoying TikTok app, my favorite. Click on that and leave it there. Amazon shopping. Oh, very close, maybe the G8. Click on the deal of the day. eBay. Ooh, give that to the G8. Click on this 10R and leave it there. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Ooh, dead heat. Tap to begin. Ooh, I think the LG G8 was a little bit faster though. Once the game started. Temple Run 2. Loading on both. Oh, very close. We'll see who's out in front. Give that to the LG. Tap to play. Subway Surf. Subway Surfers Surge. Ooh, loading first on the G8 and give this to the G8. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Ooh, Samsung's ahead. Will the G8 catch up? No, it does not, and give the win to the S10 Plus on this, as you can see. PUBG. Oh, LG G8's out in front. Will the S10 Plus catch it? Both are loading right now. Oh, and give this to the LG G8. As you can see. Photoshop Express. I have this 8K image here. Gonna go ahead and click on the vibrant filter on both. And I'm gonna jack this filter up all the way. Click on this. So you can see 5460 by 8192 pixels. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Save to Gallery on both and see which one will do it faster. And let's go. Ooh, very close. Maybe the LG G8 slow down the video for me. Twitter. S10. Instagram. S10 again. Snapchat. Dead heat. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. Now S10 does have 8 gigs of RAM. LG G8 has 6. So this has an advantage, but let's see what happens. We'll run through these apps again and we'll have a look. to management, Photoshop Express, same place on both. PUBG, still there. Angry Birds 2. Oh, reload on the left. Subway Surf, reload on the left again. Temple Run 2, same place on both phones. Super Mario Run, LG G8 still in RAM on that one. eBay, and a little bit faster on the right. Amazon, same place. Play Store, same place. Calculator, and a little bit of a stutter on the G8 on that one. The browsers, still on GSM Arena on both. Clock on both phones, still running the stopwatch. The camera, there you have it. Messages, a little bit faster on the S10. And the phone app, a little bit faster on the S10. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this classic matchup between LG and Samsung. Are you on Team LG? Are you rocking the brand new LG G8, the LG V30, LG G7? Are you looking forward to the LG V40? No camera hump on this device, and it does have that air gesture kind of thing. Or are you a Samsung Knight rocking your brand new Galaxy S10 Plus or Galaxy S10, S10e, Note 9, or an S9? Are you looking forward to the Galaxy Fold, etc.? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.